Hello, Cyber World. I'm going to give you a little bit of update here on the weather for today. We broke a low temperature record today. The record previously was 27 degrees Fahrenheit. Today we got 22 degrees at the airport. Pretty cold out there. And in this town we were more about 26 degrees. Pretty chilly morning for you there. It's nice to see those temperatures drop really low sometimes for excitement. 53 degrees in Tallahassee right about now. 53 Wilma. A little bit cooler by the coast. It's a little strange to see there. Most of the time it's a little warmer by the coast because of that Gulf of Mexico. Because we're seeing these winds moving out of the southeast right now. Changed from yesterday and the day before. It was coming out of the northwest, which brings the cold air. But this south wind's going to bring that little bit warmer air back at us. See those high temperatures climb into the 70s for the weekend. It's going to be nice and beautiful afternoons. And those low temperatures are still going to be kind of low for the weekend, but not as low as we've seen these past 2 days here. Pretty clear day out there, just some noise. A couple little blips here and there, like that one right there. And there's another one right here. When it restarts, boom, that's some smoke from controlled burns. It's nice to see how that shows up on the radar there, the smoke and ash shows up. Pretty clear for the sunshine state of Florida there for you. Nice to see another sunny day in the state of Florida. And some wintry precipitation and snow coming through northern Alabama and Georgia for you. Maybe to move into South Carolina later tonight. We'll see how that goes, adding to the more snow cover over there. Right now, we're high pressure leaving us right now. That brought us all that cold. This low pressure developing and leaving Texas, moving to form another low pressure system with a warm front and a cold front action. We're going to see that warm front kind of approach us as we go into the end of the weekend here and bring us some rain and clouds. And then that's going to pass. Those warm temperatures are really going to climb up. We're going to see those low temperatures for the mornings not be quite as low as we start next week. Cold front coming at you, bring us some more rain, clouds, plenty to see of that for next week. And for boating, the wind coming out of the southeast, 10 to 15 knots, gusts up to 20 knots, 3 to 4 feet surf, possibly 5 feet in places. So if you got a small craft, please be careful, use proper boating techniques. Sunrise, 7:12 a.m. If you like to fish, catch a beautiful sunrise and maybe on the way to work. 7:12 is when you should expect that. For tonight, looking at 35 degrees, about 10 degrees, maybe a little bit more than it was last night. So that's interesting to see how much the temperature can change in just 24 hours from night to day. And for tomorrow, we're looking at 70 degrees in Tallahassee. A little bit cooler everywhere else, but Tallahassee and Perry seem to be a warm spot for tomorrow in the afternoon. And taking a look at the week ahead, rain, clouds, rain, clouds, clouds, rain, 30 to 50% going on Wednesday. And Thursday, we might see a little bit more rain. We're going to see those high temperatures climb into the 77, possibly high 70s by Sunday, maybe come back down into the 60s and maybe into the 50s by the end of next week. And we see those low temperatures stay into the lower 50s and upper 40s for next week. Have a nice night, y'all, and see you later on the internet.